Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 13. Its title is My Country. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about joining words, means conjunction. Before this, in English for grade 2, we have learned about joining words. I hope you remember the concept. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to identify and recognize the function of conjunctions and, or, but, because. So we are going to talk about these 4 conjunctions today. Use joining words and, or, but to show addition, alteration, and contrast within a sentence. Use because to express reason. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Fatiha, verse 5, you alone we worship and you alone we ask for help for each and everything. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us, that we worship only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and we ask for help only to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who helps us to deal with everything in our life. This is what our belief is, right? Now, my dear children, look at this word and. What it is doing, it is joining one sentence with the other, right? So, do you remember where we have studied it? Okay, so then tell me, what are joining words? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could recall that joining words are used to connect. Connect what? Two words or sentences as one. So what do joining words do? They connect words or sentences and they make it one sentence. Okay, so there are different joining words, and now, my dear children, we have been saying joining words. So in grammar term, joining words are conjunction. Joining words are conjunction. There are many conjunctions, but we will discuss about and, but, or, because. Only these 4 conjunctions we'll discuss today. So where do we use all these conjunctions? We'll discuss it one by one. Let's start with and. Where do we use and? And is used to join 2 nouns. 2 nouns. And what are nouns? Everything around us has a name, and that is noun. Okay. So whenever there are 2 names and we want to join them together, we'll join them by using word and, by using this conjunction and. Ali and Ahmad are friends. Now Ali and Ahmad, Ali is a noun, Ahmad is a noun, and we have joined it by using conjunction and, right? Okay. The other use of and is also used to join 2 sentences to make one sentence, right? As I told you, joining words, conjunctions join 2 words or 2 sentences to make one, right? So how do we use and to join 2 sentences to make one? Look at the example. Ahmad plays football. So there is a boy, his name is Ahmad, and he plays football. Ali plays basketball. Now you see, these are 2 sentences, and if we want to join them, which conjunction we'll use? We'll use and. How? Ahmad plays football and Ali plays basketball. So beta, and is used when we are joining words or sentences by adding. Like, Ahmad plays football. I did not stop here. I want to add in this sentence. I want to say more. I want to write more. So in continuity of this sentence, I will use this conjunction and I will write rest part. Ali plays basketball. This is how we join two sentences by adding and as conjunction. Are you clear? Okay. The next conjunction is but. Where do we use but? But is used as a contrast or opposite. What does it mean? Means we are joining two words or two sentences which are opposite to each other. How? Look at this. I like rice, but. It means whatever is coming after it, that I don't like. I like rice, but not noodles. Right? Means I like rice, but I do not like noodles. Rice are more healthy, maybe that's the reason, right? So this conjunction we use when the next part is opposite. First part, whatever we are saying, the next part is opposite to this. First part is telling what I like, and the second part is telling what I don't like. That's why we have used this conjunction but. Do you understand? Okay. The next conjunction is or. Or is used as an alternative. Alternative means instead of one thing, there is another. Right? How do we use it? You can wear a hat. So what you can wear on head other than hat? Maybe a cap. So these are alternate of each other. That's why we have used conjunction or. You can wear a hat or a cap on your head, right? Likewise, you can wear a shirt or a t-shirt, right? So whatever, alternate means a thing which can be used in place of another. For example, you can use to write, you can use a pencil or a pen. So they are alternate of each other. So whenever we are joining two nouns which are alternate of each other, we use conjunction or, right? Okay. You can take ice cream or milkshake. Now you have two options. So you can go for one. They are alternate. Both are, one is ice cream, other is, no, one is ice cream, other is milkshake. You want to go for one. So what would you like to have? You can take ice cream or milkshake. You have one option, they are alternate, right? So this is how we use conjunction or to show options as alternate. Okay? Okay. The next is because. This is the last conjunction for today. So where do we use because? Because is used to mention a reason. So when in a sentence we are saying something and we are going to mention its reason, before mentioning the reason we write because. How? Look at this. Yesterday I could not attend school. So this is the sentence. Why? Because I was not feeling well. This is the reason. Because I was not feeling well. So whenever in a sentence we are saying something and after that we have to mention its reason, we'll use conjunction because, right? So are you clear? All right. Ali made a sandwich because he was hungry, right? So maybe I'm asking why Ali made a sandwich. Ali made a sandwich, the reason, because he was hungry, he wanted to eat something, so he made a sandwich. This is how, by using conjunction because, we mention the reason after that. Are you clear? Okay, so let's see what does your book say about it. All of you open your book on page number 109. Conjunction because is a conjunction. It is used to show or give a reason for a sentence. The boy ran. Now this is the sentence. The boy ran because he was afraid. Right? Because we are mentioning reason, that's why we have joined it with because. This is the sentence, this is the reason, and this conjunction because is joining them. You should take your umbrella because it's raining. Right? You see, after because we tell the reason. After because we write the reason. Why I'm saying you should take an umbrella with you. Why? Because it's raining. They understand this is how we use these conjunctions. So let's practice all these 4 conjunctions through an activity. What the activity is, your teacher will divide class in groups of 4. So in each group there will be 4 students. Each student will be given a joining word, a conjunction, and but, or, because, and teacher will write a sentence on board, leaving that conjunction space blank. Group members will discuss. Before writing, you may discuss among yourself and decide who is going to fill the gap out of these conjunctions. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Now, all of you have practiced all 4 conjunctions in groups of 4. Good job. Now, let's see what's your homework. You're going to write more sentences by using conjunction and, or, but, and, because. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, you will read the sentence and you will complete it by using correct, by selecting correct conjunction. So what we have learned today, we have learned to identify and recognize the function of conjunction and, or, but, because, and we use joining words and, or, but to show addition, alternative, and contrast within a sentence, and we also use because to mention a reason. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.